do like her. I feel like Sensationnel is listening. This is definitely a textured lace wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today I am talking about this beauty from Sensationnel. This is the BareLace 13x6 unit number 19, and I have the color 1B. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel. If you like content like this, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. All right, friends. So sometimes I talk this part through, sometimes I speed it up with music, sometimes I show you the install. I don't know what works. Y'all comment down below what you like. Do you like me to get a little personal? Do you like me to talk to y'all, or do you want me to just fast forward and give you specs and tell you how I feel at the end? Either way, today we're doing it a little different. I wanted to talk this part through because I already opened up this wig. I opened her up, and the way I was feeling, I was like, I need to give the people my feelings through the video. So this part of the video, I want to give you guys some specs and show you the install. And then I'm going to wrap it up and tell you how I feel. I was unboxing this wig and filming some of my shorts and stuff. And I was like, I just need to talk to the people. So this is a wig from Sensationnel's BareLace collection. You guys are very familiar with this collection. If you're not, I did a video right here breaking down the collection. I compared it to the BareLace versus the what lace. So I compared the two collections of the lace frontals. So this is a 13x6 lace frontal. The specs. This is the style 13x6 unit 19. I have the color 1B. Like I said, it's comparable to like other laces. It's supposed to be much thinner, you know, but watch that video. Watch that video right here. We're not gonna get into all that because these videos need to be short so y'all can watch them. This is what the little stock card is looking like. Okay, so you know what you're purchasing. And they have other colors. They have so many other colors in here, which when I'm loving a wig, I kind of want to go back and buy more colors. But then I have to remember that these videos aren't sponsored. They're sponsored by me. My AC just turned on. But they're sponsored by me. So Sensationnel, if you're watching this video, hit your girl up. I've been doing these wig reviews for many years now. And I think it's time y'all put me on your PR list. You know, so I can tell the people about the wigs. This is what the wig is looking like. That 13x6, you're gonna get that. If you guys hear like an echo, it's my AC. It's gonna cut off really soon. This is that 13x6 lace frontal, 13 inches going across, 6 inches going down. You are going to get the silicone right here so it doesn't slide. Do get 2 combs in this wig, and you're gonna get a comb in the back. There it is. Tell me if that made a difference because the AC just turned off. And you're going to get this elastic band, which is adjustable. This wig matching to my complexion, this is what it looks like. Like, it's already kind of melting in. And look at that hairline, y'all. So I wanted to talk about this texture. The texture on this wig, y'all, it feels so good. So I was scared with the texture on this wig because when I first reviewed a wig from this collection, a few wigs from this collection, the texture was a little bit more silkier, but it's a little bit more yakkier. So Sensationnel, I think they're listening, guys. I think they're listening. Look at these beautiful curls that you're gonna get in here, okay? All these preset curls. So now we can go ahead and put her on and see what she feels like. If y'all like my turbans, y'all know I'll be leaving links below to all the stuff in my videos. I tell y'all this all the time. It's up to you to listen. So I do have my wig cap on. I do have my hair nice and flat. I like to go on my hair flat. It makes a huge difference for me with my wigs and my installs on how they look as far as bulkiness goes. So keep that in mind. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, these styles lately have I've really been loving these kind of styles lately, which is so rare for me because I don't like styles like this. I didn't used to. I think now that I've been wearing wigs more, and I don't know if it's getting older, if it's the heat, I don't know what it is, but I appreciate the styles like this more because they're just so grown and sexy and sophisticated. But look at this wig, y'all. So this is the hairline on this wig, okay? That's what that's looking like. It's looking really, really good. I don't think I need to tweeze it. Sometimes people do go in and tweeze these hairlines only because the boxiness of it and you want it to look as natural as possible, but I think I'm going to, if anything, I'm going to tweeze the front hair. And I did show a video of how I tweeze my wigs too, so check that video out right here. But this is gorgeous. This wig is gorgeous. This is reminding me of so many wigs I have reviewed before. It's even reminding me of that viral wig that I did last year of the kinky edges from Sensationnel. This is exactly giving me that. But for all the girls that might not like those kinky edges, this might be for you. So let's go ahead and install this wig. I'm gonna play some music so this video doesn't get too long, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about this wig. So you can absolutely skip this step, but this is what the hairline looks like right out the pack. I like to show you guys what it's looking like. I think it looks pretty good, but this is one side tweezed compared to the other side. This is what it's looking like. If you're new here, I just like to show you how I achieve my final results. This is optional and you don't have to do that. So I cut the lace off camera. This is what the hairline was looking like after I cut it with my scissors, and that's how it came. So I just wanted to note that. I'm gonna go and tint my lace with powder today, and I'm using my Isha melting spray. I really like this melting spray, y'all, but this is what it's looking like with the powder and the hairline, and everything was just like matching up and looking good. So I'm fixing my wig to install it. I'm lining it up, and then I'm gonna clean my forehead with this micellar water. I'm using this because I do have makeup on my forehead, and just to like clean it off. Do not use cotton. As you see, I had a couple pieces stuck on my forehead, so don't do that. So I just put that spray right above my hairline, and then I'm putting that lace right on top of it. I know I show this part a lot in videos, but you know, some people are new here, so skip it if you don't like it. I'm showing you a close-up of how I press it in because I think this part is very important. If you want like that flawless melt, you have to press the lace in. The melt is ooh. Anyway, so I'm gonna show the rest in a reel or a short video coming up, but I did install like this wig off camera, so stay tuned for that reel coming up. So now, as far as just the wig, I'm just going in with a little bit of serum. This helps with like some tangles, and I was just feeling this wig. I was just getting out all those straight pieces, feeling out if I wanted the side or the middle, you know, just playing with the curls. Do I want to go in with the hot comb? This wig is so pretty, and especially with the holidays coming up, I think this is definitely a winner, but those are just my thoughts. Anyway, so I was trying to figure out, do I want to go in with the hot comb? I realized that this wig has a lot of volume and I didn't want to lose it, so I didn't use too much of the hot comb because that's the beauty of the wig, like all of this beautiful voluptuous curls. Let's talk about her. All right, beautiful people, we are back with this beautiful wig. She's a lot of hair, y'all. She is a lot of hair. I actually just filmed some content outside and it's still really hot. This hair is thick. She's hot. Even though she's short, she's hot. But I like her. I really do like her. I feel like Sensationnel is listening. This is definitely a textured lace wig. I feel like when I reviewed some of these wigs in this collection, depending on the wig and the style, I thought they would all be silky, but I guess, you know, I was wrong. You can get silky, you can get kinky. This is definitely a kinky textured wig, and we are getting the curls. We are getting all the curls. This wig reminds me a lot of that viral Kinky Edges Body Wave wig, and it's reminding me also of this wig that I just reviewed, that that Y-Part Kinky Roller Set 10 wig. Check it out right here. It's giving me a lot of different wigs. It's giving me a lot of different things, but she's here. The body, the curls, everything. You can part this wig, which that other wig that I reviewed was a standard lace part, but this one you can do a flip over. You can do a flip over, and you can also part her if you need to, like that, okay? I feel like this hair is so big that when you put it wherever you like it, you kind of need to leave it. This hair is very big, so you might like the flip over. You might need to go in with a little bit of heat because of the texture if you're doing that. But I didn't want to lose the body of the wig, y'all. I didn't want to lose the body of all the curls. Like, do y'all see all of that? It's just nice. It's so nice. But I'm gonna go back and put it back in the middle because I think I like that. I think for the other video that I did with the wig like this, it was on the side. So let's just do the middle. Yeah, let's do the middle. As you guys see, I did a little bit of wispy baby hair thing here, but I like the wig. I really do. She is hot, keep that in mind, but she's beautiful. She's absolutely gorgeous. This is for my texture girlies. This for all my girlies that like the curls like this. You don't have to go in and roller set it. You don't have to curl it. It comes like this, but it is synthetic, so you know, over time it might do what synthetic wigs do, but because of the length, I think it's gonna hold up a little bit longer, y'all. I'm getting body, I'm getting movement. This is what it's looking like all around and in the back. Yeah, so she's cute. I don't know, I feel like I messed it up. I feel like I messed it up by doing that little flip over. Y'all let me know. Do you like side? Do you like middle? Y'all let me know. Either way, I like her. Let me know your thoughts. Drop some comments down below. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!